Hi everyone, good evening. How are you all? Hello, good evening. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
everyone. Hi guys. So start. Let's start. So today is the first, meeting of us, meeting of me and you, and this is the orientation program. Okay, so I'm definitely not going to take your classes, but today is the orientation program, and why I'm here is you must know that I'm going to tell you about the course, how the course is going to be conducted, what are the important tasks, what are the important things you have to follow, what are the things you are going to get, and how you can reach to us and how the course will be conducted entirely. Okay, so those things you are going to learn from this orientation program, and then we will be telling you about the timings and classes and all the details we'll be sharing with you. Okay, so let me say that I hope many of you, I mean almost all of you must have gone through this brochure, right? You all have gone through this brochure. So this is our, the program what we have newly launched in medical affairs. Okay, this is our newly launched program in medical affairs, and that is a 4 months skill development value-added certificate program. There are, so every day, I mean, every week there will be one class. Okay, that is 100% online. Every week there will be one class. Okay, so at the end, you will definitely get the professional certificate training course in medical affairs. And that faculty members, what we have right now, are the top expertise from these top industries like Sanofi. They have worked in Novo Nordisk, or they're working with Sanofi, or I mean, they have the vast experience of these top level, top level industries of medical affairs. Okay, they are from Lupin, they are from Pfizer, Sanofi, Novo Nordisk, Novartis, and multiple industries. And many people will be joining you as a guest also. Okay, many directors, many C-level executives from the medical affairs industry will be joining you as a guest also. So this course, for the first time, we have planned like not only the faculty members will come and teach you, and you know that CLIMAD has all the faculty members directly from the industry. We don't run like monotonous one faculty and the whole program, and that faculty is also not experienced or having the experience of 1 or 2 years, but we have all the faculties of almost 10 years of experience in the medical affairs. And almost all the courses what we run is, at least our criteria is that every faculty who is coming here have the at least minimum 5 years of experience in the industry, and then they only are able to teach you, right? So here also all the faculty members have almost 10 years of experience in the industry. They all are very well versed with the industry. They know everything, and they will be teaching you, they will be training you. Medical affairs course, a medical affairs training program, this training program is not actually a course, frankly, if I say. Course usually have the theory classes, a lot of theory classes, but this looks like when my team was designing, our faculty members were sitting together and designing this course, was like a fun program. I'm telling you, this will be a fun program because here a lot of practical things, lot of live learning, lot of live cases will be there, lot of live cases will be there. And I'll show you what are the things and how are the things you're going to get, right? So let me go through. So this is about Curio. Curio is established in November 2023 under the aegis of Climate Research Solutions, what is running for last 5.5 years. And we have all diplomas and training certificates. We have almost 200 plus short-term, long-term programs, and these are our top range of the courses. Like we have right now 5 diplomas, and we have the 30 certificate courses, I mean the 4 months plus courses, and all short courses, and all we have 200 plus courses. So first of all, guys, I could see yesterday evening I and faculty members had a meeting, and that meeting what we were discussing was the same thing, like, okay, let's check the audience who have joined this course. Let's check the audience whatever we have here. So let me tell you guys, this batch is amazing. We have 50 plus already. We had only 50 seats. We already got 50 plus registrations. Okay, we already got 50 plus registrations, and we extended then for 10 more seats. Okay, and here what you will get is, see, this course, what you will get is here. Here is the where is the syllabus? Yeah, here is the syllabus, right? Here is the syllabus here. Okay, so you will see, as I was telling, it is a fun task. See, first, definitely foundations of medical affairs you will be learning. Then, second, medical science lies in core role and responsibilities. So here also there are the cases, there are the live experiences, how the stakeholders communication can be done, and how it's being done by the top leaders, and how KPIs are coming to the pictures. KPI here is the doctors, right? And then the clinicians, and then the medical information scientific communication. So here you will be having the top practical quality, I mean practical learnings only. Like you will be asked for the assignments like slide deck preparations and response letter preparations, and you will be learning how to prepare the best quality slide decks, how to prepare the best quality PPTs for being as MSL, or being into the medical licensing, or being into the medical affairs, because that's the major task, bridging the scientific bridging the science with the KOLs, right? That is the major task of scientific I mean medical affairs, right? So you will be learning this, like balancing the promotional versus non-promotional communication. So this is not a, when we talk about communication, what we talk about the slide decks, letters, these are not the theoretical part. Okay, these are all practical part. They will be teaching you how to prepare these things, how to go for it, how to do that non-promotional and balancing promotional communication. So you will be learning that live, and you will be asked to do that. You will be asked for some assignments, to some talks, some role plays in this, right? And then medical review of promotional promotional materials. So 100% they will be sharing their experience, how you can go for the medical review of promotional materials. Then evidence generation and clinical trial support, publication planning and medical writing is one of the major tasks and one of the major function of medical affairs. And then regulatory compliance and where's that? Uh, yeah, regulatory compliance in medical affairs. And then stakeholder engagement, this is also a practical work, like how to build the relationships with the opinion leaders, what are the field insights and field strategies for the compliance. So these all are the experience based teaching. This course is not a theory based teaching, this course is experienced based teaching. Okay, this course is experienced based teaching, and you are going to learn all the experiences here, right? And then digital medical affairs, and omni-channel strategies, and then therapeutic areas expertise. Here a little bit theory will be there, definitely, and you have to learn, because you have to be the specialized, and along with that you have to be specialized. If you want to go for, like, suppose infectious disease medical licenseship, or medical affairs, then you must be you must be expert of the infectious disease medications and pharmacotherapeutics. Okay, and if you want to go to suppose oncology, you must be very very good in oncology medications and oncology pharmacotherapeutics, right? So those things you have to learn. And then if you look at last three modules, guys, if you look at last three modules, look at these all are completely practical, real world scenarios and capstone simulation. Here scientific query simulation, live role plays, and then slide deck critic and literature evaluation exercises, then mock MSL field scenarios with QL engagements. So there are the role plays in this. Okay, and then interview readiness, how you will be ready for the interview. So this is all included in the job preparedness, right? So this course, how we have designed, is not only the training, but just minimum of theory, what you really need, what is completely necessary or mandatory to learn. Otherwise, other than that, all practical sessions, all job preparedness you are going to learn in this. All job preparedness you are going to learn in this, right? Interview readiness, personal branding, building a strong LinkedIn profile, resume and cover letter optimizations for medical affair roles, and how to craft your career pitch, right, for the MSL or advisor role. Then mock interviews and industry expert interactions, those everything will be given. And at least there are two mentors, and there are 5 to 6 other people to join them in the entire course, right? So this course is full of experts, and I will come back to this part. What I was telling you is like there are 50 plus people, and these all people, if I say, are from the diverse population. I can see there are, MD pharmacology residents. There are almost, I think, six or seven MD pharmacology residents. There are five, six PharmDs. There are the job switchers. Okay, many people who are already working in, regulatory affairs. They are working in medical writing. They want to switch the jobs and they want to come to the medical affairs. There are many people, many people. So almost, there are I mean, almost 50% people are from industry only, who wants to switch the job, who wants to switch the jobs, and who wants to learn it, right? And then, we have, as I just told you, we have MD, senior residents, junior residents, and we have PharmDs, and we also have people from Ayurveda. And I mean, this is a very diverse population what we got in our, this batch. So guys, it's a very good sign, and we are starting this, course from the next week. And yes, I'm very proudly, I'm very proud to say that this course is completely full, and we had to extend the, seats for, because we had a huge demand. And your classes will be every Sunday from 6 p.m., guys. Okay, your classes will be every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 7 or 7:30. And there are some rules, those you have to follow. Okay, there are some rules, those you have to follow. So those rules are nothing but your attendance must be at least 75% in the live classes. Okay, you have to follow the 75% attendance in the live classes, and 25% you can go through the recordings. Not a problem. After the class, if you miss the class by chance, there will be the recording. Okay, there will be the recording. You can, access to the recording within 24 to 48 hours. We will share the recording access to that class. Okay, so you will have the access to the class in the recordings, and otherwise live class. So there are few conditions. First is attendance. 75% attendance is mandatory, as there are 16, you can see here, there are 16 modules, right? So out of 16, you have to attend at least 12 modules. You have to attend at least 12 live modules. I recommend everyone that you attend everything, because everything is important. But like, suppose, sometimes if you are not able to manage, or sometimes you are, traveling or some other tasks. So if you miss it, you can miss up to only 3 or 4 classes, not more than that. Okay. So that is first. And second is, there are 3 to 4 assignments what we have planned, like, not only the written assignments, 1 or 2 are written assignments, and others are like slide deck preparations, others are like, role plays. So everyone has to, participate in those, because along with final exam, there is a final exam also. Along with final exam, every assignment is important. Suppose there are 4 assignments, so every assignment will have 15% weightage. Guys, listen to me carefully. There are 4 assignments. Every assignment will have 15% of weightage. So 4 assignments will have 60% of your total marks, and final exam will have 40% of the weightage of total marks. Okay. And then out of everything, if you achieve 60% marks, then only you will be eligible to get the certificate. Okay, everything with at least 60% marks, if you are getting, at the end, then you will be eligible to get the certificate. Otherwise, there is no certificate given to all of you. And don't think that you will skip 1 or 2 assignments and final exam. No, everything is mandatory. Everything is mandatory. If you miss any assignment, like, okay, I'll cover in the next assignment or something, no, you have to achieve 60% marks in each assignments and final exam. But yes, in something, like if something is there to cover, then definitely at the end we will calculate 60% marks, and then only we will give the certificate. So these are the mandatory tasks from our side, and these you have to follow, everyone. Okay, syllabus you know now, and your exam and certification, instructions you got to know. And then definitely, and whatever you want, you can, just ask the questions to your mentors. They will be in the, class. They will be in every class. And if you don't, sometimes you don't get the questions in class or something. If you are getting any questions at the end, or maybe later, you can ask in the group. The mentors are also in the group. They will be added to the groups also, so you can discuss. These WhatsApp groups are for the discussion only. Okay, so you can discuss those queries in the groups. Okay, and then get the clarifications there, right? And about the job preparedness, as I told you, we are preparing you 100% for the job, and at the end we will be also helping you in finding the jobs and getting into the jobs. So don't worry, this is a full-fledged program. This is definitely 4 months program. You are just paying 3,000, but it does not mean that we are just we will just take you to the course and just leave you. Not at all. We are here to serve you 100% till the end. Best quality content, best quality practices, and along with that we will help you in the job also. Okay, so don't worry, and if anything, please ask questions, and in the classes also, be active, because our faculty members are from the industry and they will be looking for some good people in the course batches, so they will be helping you here also. Okay, so guys, with that I will end here, and you guys now can just introduce yourself one by one. You can write or you can speak your name, from where you are joining, and what is the motto behind joining medical affairs. Why are you joining medical affairs, right? What's your purpose of joining medical affairs? That I want to know. And our mentors are also here joining us, so we want to know how, I mean, why, what brings you here to join this medical affairs course, right? So you can write your name, your where you are working, and what you are studying, if there is, and what is the motto behind joining the medical affairs course. Okay, so guys, please start your introduction. Either you can speak or you can write. That's totally up to you. As this is the introductory session, and everyone else will be knowing you because they are your classmates for next 4 months. Okay. Yes, who is going
So,
first?
sir, very good. This is Vijay Shankar Pandey. So, very good evening, sir. This is Vijay Shankar Pandey from HLR Luxottica. Currently I'm in medical affairs as a senior medical science liaison and taking care of Delhi NCR.
Okay, wonderful, sir.
So, so we are serving spectacle lenses for myopia progression control, and there is a technology, a HALT technology, HALT, HALT,
Yes.
highly spherical lenslet target technology, which is works behind the spectacles. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Very nice. And I can see some experts also have joined the course. That's really good. That's really good, sir. Yes. Who is
Thank you,
going
sir.
next?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Alina.
Yeah, good evening, sir. So I'm working over here in Pune in Brental Pharmaceuticals as a medical marketing. So I'm budding my career in medical affairs. So it's just 2 years which I have started. So I have joined the course so that I can gain more insights in the medical affairs and medical marketing, so that I can contribute more and I can switch, or when I get a good opportunity, so I can have a good valuable knowledge when I switch or when I'm working with the same organization. Because
Oh,
currently,
that's really great. That's really great. And I will say one thing, that everyone who is joining here, please ask the questions to your mentors. Okay. Whoever is coming to teach you, whoever is coming to train you, please ask the questions, whether those are silly questions, whether those are very important questions. Every question is important, so ask the questions to the mentor, so they can, get all the questions covered, all the questions answered, and everyone will get benefited. Sometimes people don't ask the questions. If you are asking one question, it will help all the people joining this course, right? So please ask the questions, and ask your all the doubts, clear all your doubts. That's why you are joining this course, right? That's why you are into this course. So sometimes if you feel like, okay, you want to suggest something to the mentors, like mentors are forgetting something, or mentors are not covering something, or mentors are missing something, or you want to learn something extra out of syllabus, I will say, please go ahead. I never say no for the extra classes or something. If we have to conduct 1 or 2 3 extra classes also for your on your demands, on your specific learnings, I will conduct extra classes as well. Okay, other than 16 also, I'm ready to conduct all the extra classes also, but please ask your questions, clarify your doubts. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Megha. I have done my MSc in medical pharmacology, sir. Currently, I'm working as a tutor in Siddhartha Medical College. So, I've joined this course so that I can learn about medical affairs and switch my career.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful, Mega. That's wonderful. Thank you for joining. And yes, we will help you definitely, and you'll get all the support from our side. Yes, guys. Anyone else? Who is going next?
The good evening.
Good evening, Manish.
Yes,
One
sir.
by
My
one.
name is Manish Kuba, sir. I am currently working as a clinical pharmacologist at Noble Hospital, Pune.
Okay.
So I want to switch into medical affairs and get that the path where I can go for a long period of time in a career.
Definitely. Yes. Fantastic. There are freshers also. Wonderful. Wonderful. Very nice. Yes. Who is next?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Shelly Bhatt. I'm a PharmD graduate, currently working as clinical and scientific affairs specialist at a medical device company. I uh, searched about medical affairs and I get deep interest into bridging the scientific knowledge with the clinical evidence. So I wanted to get deep into the field, and that's why I joined this course so that I can get real world experiences from the professionals and can also uh, prepare myself and can get be a little differentiator from the other people who want to get into the field as well.
That's nice. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Thank you, Sally, for joining. Who is next?
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Myself, Abhinesh.
Sorry. One by one, guys, please. Okay. One by one. Okay. Sangam, please go ahead.
Okay, good evening, sir. Uh, my name is Dr. Sangam. I'm an Ayurved practitioner and I'm into Ayurved medical pharma industry for the past 6 to 7 years. And I'm into medical affairs department. I've joined this course so that I get deep insights into this because sometimes I feel stagnated. And to gain deep insights and to grow in this field itself, I have joined this course and I found this course to be very unique. So I'm looking forward to learn more.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sangam. Thank you very much. That's who is next?
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir. Myself, Abhinesh,
Yes.
and I am currently working as a clinical pharmacist. So during my clinical practice, I was fascinated about the newer drug development and newer treatment technologies that would help patients. So I just wanted to get deep into that and know more about it. So that I joined the course about medical affairs. So it would bring me a deeper knowledge about the newer developments and how to communicate with the healthcare team.
That's great. That's great. Who's going next? Rutuja. Sorry, Rujuta Sawant. Please go ahead, Rujuta.
Good evening, sir, and everyone. I am Rujuta Sawant. I have completed my bachelor's in pharmacy. Then I did it. I worked 2 years as a business developer for an API company and a basic and specialty chemicals. And then right now I am currently pursuing my master's in pharmacology. The reason I joined this course is because I wanted the deep insights on medical science liaison, where they actually become act as a bridge between all the technicalities. And so I wanted to know more about it, and obviously I want to understand more about medical affairs. That's why I joined the course.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rujuta. Sri, please go ahead. Who is raising
Good
the hand?
evening.
Yeah, Sri.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody else. My name is Sri Lakshmi, and I have been in the case processing, like pharmacovigilance, for the past 5 years. And I have a lot of friends who are in medical affairs. And so I was really intrigued and curious about this particular field, which I had not explored before. So that is the motto behind joining this course, to get more understanding about what is actually medical science liaison and all the other related medical affairs posts that always come up on my LinkedIn. And I see a lot of people applying, I see a lot of people speaking about it. So I was really curious. So I just joined this course purely out of curiosity.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I hope you get the learning full lessons from it and hope you get the best content here. Dr. Ankita Rao, please go ahead.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. Sir, I recently completed my MD pharmacology, and currently I'm working as a senior resident at HBT, MC, and Cooper Hospital, Mumbai. Sir, I joined this course because I want to eventually go into medical affairs and also learn more about it. Because I always had this
keen interest about how to use our practical or scientific and theoretical knowledge and put it into more of a practical use. That's why I joined this course, to get
Okay,
more insights.
fantastic, fantastic, Dr. Ankita. Next is Pujita. Please raise your hands. Yes, that's a great thing. Yes, Pujita, please go ahead.
Good evening, all. This is Pujita. I'm working as a clinical research associate. In India, I work. Now I'm working in MENA region, sir, Gulf region. I just joined the course to know about the medical affairs because I completed Pharma D. Sir, I just had a doubt that whether this covers India or the rest of the world's medical affairs thing, sir.
Okay, thank you. Anjali, yeah, please go ahead.
Yes,
Next.
sir, is it audible?
Yeah, Pujita, you are audible. You're not done. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. My doubt is that this course covers only India or rest of the world's medical affairs, communication strategies, and all, sir.
No, everywhere, definitely everywhere.
Okay, sir.
Definitely
Then it
everywhere.
will be helpful for me to
Yes, there are people coming
develop
from,
my career here, sir.
there are the people or mentors who have the foreign experience also, who have the abroad experience as well, and a long abroad experience, I can tell you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Anjali, please go ahead.
So, good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Anjali Takke. Actually, I am already working in the pharma industry in medical affairs department. So, I saw the curriculum of this medical affairs course, and I really would like to tell you that each and every basic concept has been covered in the syllabus. So, it's like one of my, I would definitely say is definitely once we will complete this course we will get the more idea as well as the more insights into the medical devices, medical industry, as well as pharmaceutical industry, and especially related to the medical affairs department. So one of my keen interest to join this course is to increase the knowledge in the field of medical affairs.
That's really great, and I'm saying again, everyone who has joined this course and sowed the trust on us, I'm telling you, if you are, if you feel something like mentors are here and they are not able to, please ask them to arrange someone else. And I'm here, please ask me. I can get you whatever you want to train you. I'm telling you again, I'm here, and if you want anyone like some any domain and any person like okay you want that person to train you, I'll get you. Our mentors are top class. Our mentors are expertise, and right now working in Novo Nordisk, Lupin, and all top companies. They will be teaching you. They have 10 years plus experiences, every one of them. Okay, but still if you feel like okay you need something from some other industry, some foreign industry or whatever other than this also, other than the curriculum also, please let us know. Okay, we will not hesitate in conducting that, or bringing the people in for that also. Okay, yes, thank you. So Pritam sir is next, and then Saktival, then Haripriya. Please go ahead.
Hi, Dr. Ajit, and hi, everybody. I am Preetham. I have around 12 and a half years of experience in PV. Joining this medical affairs course, I just wanted to learn overall perspective of medical affairs. That's the reality. I know about MSL, I know about how things work a little bit of how therapeutic area. That's the main idea of joining and understanding medical affairs because it's and try to find out the ways of PV and medical affairs too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Who is next? Okay, Saktival.
So hi sir and hi everyone. So I'm Shiri Shaktivel, so currently doing pharmacy internship in Sri Ramakrishna College, Coimbatore. So basically I'm very much interested in PowerPoint like slide deck preparation, presentation, and market access, scientific communication, even product launch. So I think this is my dream career of joining in a medical affairs. So and also course curriculum is it's very amazing, sir. So that's the main reason in order to get deep insights, I'm joining this course. Thank you for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you, Saktival. Thank you very much. Haripriya, please. And please raise your hands, guys, who wants to go next.
So, hi, sir, and good evening, everyone. So, myself, Dr. Haripriya. I'm a dentist by profession, and I have around 7+ years of experience in US healthcare documentation. So, I was planning for a switch in my career, and that's when I came to know more about medical affairs and wanted to learn about it. as I felt like being a dentist, I can still continue in my medical field and continue to contribute to patient care as well as work on patient safety. That's the reason I wanted to learn more about it.
Yes, thank you. There are 10 dentists. There are 10 from BDS and MDS people in this
Yeah,
course right now. So
that's great.
yes, very nice. Okay, so who is going next? Dr. Dippy Gupta.
Hello. Hello,
Hi.
good evening, everyone. So I am Dr. Dimpi Gupta. I am second year resident at doing MD pharmacology at Sri Ampisha Government Medical College, Jamnagar, Gujarat. So being MD pharmacologist, I have researched for all the fields around after MD pharmacology, which we can join. So medical affairs is one of the field I am focusing on. So want to learn more about it. That's why I have.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes. There are many people left, guys. Who is going next? Shall I call by names otherwise?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Deepak.
Sir, good evening. Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Deepak Hari, currently working as a clinical oncology pharmacist at Adia Cancer Institute, Chennai. And recently, for the past few months, I just gone through the medical affairs thing, and I just this is the best thing that we can maximize our course and benefit. So I just want to learn everything from medical affairs and continue to this.
Okay, Deepak, thank you. Who is next? There are the people remaining. Okay, Dr. Keval Shah, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Keval Shah. I'm a second year MD resident, MD pharmacology resident, and I have joined this course particularly because I want to choose medical affairs as my career path for future. So hence, I want to learn more of this course and which would help for me in the future prospect of my career. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, guys, who is remaining? Let me tell. Dr. Akash Shah and Vinod Kumar, Lokesh Kumar, Mohil, and then, okay, Sakshi, Anirudh, okay, then Viren Nisad, Lata, Dr. Shukena, okay. I think they have also, Dr. Akshay has already introduced in the chat box. Viren also has introduced, Lokesh also has introduced, Dr. Aramin Sheikh also has introduced, Balaji. Okay, Mrinali also has introduced here. So who is remaining? Guys,
Shall I?
yes, please go ahead.
Hi, I am Latamati Angapan. I am a PharmD graduate from Sri Ramakrishna College of Pharmacy, Coimbatore, India. Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I am working as a clinical pharmacy technician in US. I want to switch my job, so I take this course. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, who is next? Okay, Mohil, please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Mohil Karangya. I am a second year resident in MD Pharmacology coming from Sri MP Shah Medical College, Jamnagar. This is my introduction to medical affairs, and I want to choose my career. I want to go ahead into medical affairs as a career, and I have good feelings about this course. So this is the introduction for me to medical affairs.
Definitely. Now, who's next? Okay, I think everyone is done. No? Working as full-time occupational physician, wonderful. There are people, occupational physician, Dr. Akash Sai is also MD pharmacology, and I can see Dr. Viraz, PharmD graduate, wonderful. And Lokesh, Dr. Pharmacy, PB. Okay, then Ramin Shah, MD. Okay, pharmacology, wonderful. See Balaji, okay, PharmD graduate, and Mrinali Jain, okay, she's also PharmD graduate. Okay, Sakshi is PharmD intern at DMHRC Pune. Who's next, guys? Who's next? Anyone remaining? No? Dr. Sriyan, is he introduced? Okay,
No, sir. Good evening,
please
sir.
go ahead. Yes, good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Shreyan. I've worked as a clinical research coordinator, and I'm currently working as a clinical research associate in here in Bangalore. And I'm
Okay.
looking for a transition into the medical affairs field. So that is the basic reason behind me attending this course. to
Oh,
learn more about.
fantastic, fantastic. So who's next remaining? Udita, Sukena. Who's remaining, guys? Please go ahead. Anyone remaining? Are you right?
Good
I
evening,
think
sir.
you're right. Yes, Sukena, please go ahead.
I'm Dr. Sukain Abdullah. I'm a homeopathic physician with 7 years experience. Currently, I'm pursuing Masters in Public Health. And as a part of my course, I have done an internship in public health research from last January to April. During that internship period, I identified my areas for improvement, especially in biostatistics and in some software skills. To address this gap, I have enrolled in our training and program and basic biostatistics of the same team, and I was very much satisfied with that training course. So, and that I came and I came to know about this from LinkedIn. So, building our this career or to keep the consistency and to learn more skills, I joined for this course with diverse modules. I was very much excited to learn more about this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So, guys, yes, we will, share your, full schedule by Tuesday, and I mean, date-wise, time-wise. So, timings will be Sunday 6 o'clock. Fix your calendars for next 16 weeks, for next 4 months. Every Sunday 6 o'clock, we'll be meeting you, and we'll be having class. And yes, if there are any emergencies with you or with us, so definitely there are flexibilities, but your all the classes are scheduled for Sunday 6 p.m. Okay, as we had the today's orientation, your all the classes will be on Sunday 6 p.m. Okay, and you will be getting the links in the group only. I hope everyone is in the WhatsApp group. You will be getting the links in the group. You will be having all the discussions in the group only. All the assignments, whatever is there, it will be in the group only. Yes, please go ahead. Yes, Pritam sir.
I know this is something which I'm requesting. Basically, you'll send the links. It's very good in WhatsApp group. Can you just send that in a emails also, so that we can have in our calendar set that 6 to 8 p.m. we'll have classes on Sundays. You can send emails directly to the email IDs. We have all the email IDs, right?
So we have
That
all the
would
email
be
IDs. Yes, yes, yes.
so you
So
can
the
send
thing
us
is
a,
that, yeah, so
event occurrence and send it to the email ID, so that we can take all things in our own Google Calendar. That would be very helpful.
that's really that's really needed. But sometimes the thing is that we also have a team and the team flow, how it works. So yes, we will definitely try this. With this course, we will try to send emails to everyone's email and as well as in the groups also. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what,
Suggestions,
because last
suggestions,
time in
emails.
last course it came in WhatsApp, and that's why a lot of
No,
miss.
the thing is, we have actually learned from the, experiences only, because you won't believe that till now, three of the people after sending, you must have got almost 6 to 7 emails for joining the WhatsApp group, every one of you,
Yes,
right?
yeah,
And after sending so many emails, still there are three people who have not joined the group till now. I'm telling till now. Before starting this class, there are three people who have not joined the group, and we have even then finally I have sent them the WhatsApp messages with the link. That's how we felt like, okay, WhatsApp is quite effective, and everyone is having the phones in hand, and okay, yeah, let's go. So
no,
that's where.
WhatsApp is fine, but just to have a, because to be very frank, the course structure is on Sunday. Right. It is not on the weekdays. So Sundays, most of the people are little in the
No, I totally
busy
understand.
part.
I totally
So
understand that they have their own timings. They have their
if
own
they get
schedules.
email reminders, or rather book focuses on the calendar,
Surely,
and also
surely,
they get a WhatsApp message, they will be more cautious. So that's the
surely, surely,
small.
surely, surely, sir, surely. We'll take a note on this. Yes, definitely. Okay. Anyone else has a question or any doubt, please? Yes. And you will get every week the chances to ask the questions, but still it's related to the course, related to the, anything. If you have anything in mind, please ask the questions. Okay, I believe no questions. So, guys, thank you very much for joining this course. And I can see I'm very, very much overwhelmed with, all of you, seeing all of you in this course. It's really amazing that, we got our, first target. See, we can get 100 also, we can get 200 also, but why we kept, certain limits on our batches is like, so we can go for end-to-end engagement, right? So every one of you get the sufficient time, and that's why we were planning yesterday night, we were scheduling this course, and I was discussing with all the mentors that we will have at least 10 to 15 minutes of QA time at the end. 1 hour class, 1 hour 15-minute class, but at least 10 to 15 minutes plus additional time for Q&A. It must be there for everyone, right? So everyone will get a chance, and don't worry, anything, whatever comes in mind, whatever doubts, please clear before leaving the class every day. Okay, and if not, no, then definitely in the next classes you can ask, your any of the mentor, you can ask any questions in that classes. Okay, so okay, guys, if no questions, thank you very much for joining this course. And if anyone, your friends, anyone wants to join this course, still we have time. We have a week, because the next class will be on next Sunday only. The first the first technical class will be on the Sunday only. So if anyone wants to join, please share the link, please share the browser, they can still join. Okay, we still have 7-8 extended seats, so we raised up to 60, and right now we have 53 admissions, so 7 more admissions we can take. Okay, so please go ahead if anyone wants to join. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.